Hello guys, this is Reyeah technology. I'm going to show you how to do the setting for the backend machine management. Okay, firstly you need to open up the Google Form, and then you can see here. When you open it, as you can see here. And this is unlocking. Type in our backend link. This is our backend link, and then log in. You will come to the main page, and you can use your normally it should be email address. Your email address. Just type in your email address and fill in the number, and then you can also reset your email. You can reset your password, okay, and then log in. As you can see here, this is the home page. It has the total device and a total alarm. Total alarm is about when your machine malfunction, and then it will send alarm to your email. So, and here this is the total revenue. You can check how much we earned from here, and you can see here today revenue and the monthly revenue. So you can check the total income and the total sales and the monthly sales here. So it's very clear, and it has the chart here. For the machine performance, you can check very clearly. And this is the home page. But when you get the machine, how to do the setting? Firstly, you need to do the settings on the price and also upload the product image. So the most important is to make the machine run. So that you can come to the commodity management, and you can do the settings on the commodity type. You can set add a type, like what for example, this kind of product belongs to what kind of commodity, like drinks or snacks or PPE product or electronic product, something like that. So as you can see here, it has like the hand sanitizer, and then you can add remarks as well. And so after you add it, then you can confirm it, and then we'll show it here. And the most important is for the commodity list, and from where you need to upload the product images and do the settings of the price, and also like the brand or the cost, something like that. So as you can see, you can click add here for more information. Like you can see, that's why we need to set the commodity type first, because here you have to use it, otherwise you cannot fill in any information. So here you can choose mask, and then if you want to sell mask, then you can choose mask here, and then you can see commodity number. It is the actual number, so you can just input the numbers. It doesn't matter, and then you can upload pictures. So you can prepare the product pictures first and upload it there. And we will, in our instruction manual, we mention the size. So you can design the image size according to the recommended picture size. Here is commodity details. The information, you can tell more information about this product, and then it will show on the screen, on the machine screen. Here is the commodity name, so like 3 fly mask or something, and cost price and brand, and also figure of brand as well. Yeah, and also you can target the remarks. You can see here there are some booths. You can see there are details. It will show on the screen, the machine screen, and then people can see what the details, cost price and brand, and etc. Okay, confirm. And then you can see that after you finish settings, you can see all the products here. You can see all the information, cost price, and also sales price. You can sales. Okay. So here, after finish uploading the images, the products, picture, and setting the price, then we can come to set the device, the machines. Okay, first we still need to add the device group. The device group you need to add it means you need to how to say, mention these products normally will located in where. So as you can see, it's normally you can fill in like the airport, and then it's just to for the group name is, for example, you are going to locate a machine in airport, and another one will locate it in the metro station. So you can mention it here. Okay, add group name like airport or metro station here, and then here you can what kind of currency the machine is going to accept, because we have like dollars and euros and pounds, and then you have the currency symbols here mentioning like dollars. Then it will show on the on the screen. So as you can see, after we do the settings, and then it will come to the device list. So you can see here it has user account and device group and device number and device name. But where to do the settings? You can choose here slots goods. It's about the slot setting. You can directly click here, and then you can check the information. Like as you can see here, you can have like the information, commodity, and also the picture, and cost price and retail price, and preferable price means the promotional, the special price. You can, if you want to do the promotion, and you can like have it on. Then when customer finish purchasing the product, and it will have a, how to say, advertising or promotion information pop on the machine, and to show that it has special price. Okay. So here is the maximum inventory. So it will show how the maximum stock numbers, and here is now how many stocks, how many products in stock, and this one is the when it reaches to how many numbers, then it will send you the alarm. So you can, if you don't want to, like, I don't want to sell this product anymore, then you can deactivate it. And you can have like copy and paste to add more products, which it will be easier. You can also one click to paste. So you can see all the details here with more information. And here, the device, we were talking about the device alarm, and then we can tell, okay, exactly which product, which machine. Easy has the machine number, which machine has a malfunction, and exactly what problem, and it will be mentioned here, and what time. As you can see all the details. And we just finished talking about the device and the products, and now let's come to the advertising. Many customers are very interested about setting the advertising. There's we have screen advertising, screensaver advertising, and also the top advertising, the screen topper advertising. You can see, firstly, we need to also say to add the advertisement group, like what kind of advertising, just to make a name. For example, like Coca-Cola, and then you can confirm to make a name, and then it will. So here we name it like this one, eco promo, and then it will come to the advertisement list, and you can add the advertising, and we have like image ads and video ads, and then you can choose whichever you want. Okay, for example, I want to have picture advertising, and then you can upload it from your computer. And so you can make a link, advertiser link. This is advertiser. So I mean the advertiser who supports the sponsor, or I think you must know about it. And also the advertising start playing time, and you can get started, and end time, when to finish it, when to end it. And also as title, you can make a name, make a title, and display location. Just like I mentioned, we have like timeout screen, which means the screensaver advertising, and on top, on top is the advertising, which is on the top, but at the bottom, and you can still show the products. You can also mention how much cost, because it's some customers want to charge for the advertising. They can mention it here, and do some description or add notes here. And then after you finish the setting, then you can confirm. it will show it here. So as you can see, this is how we doing the advertising. You can see just a sample. Yeah. And then after you finish the setting, then we can come to the you need to know the advertising, because for example, you have 3 or 5, even maybe 100 machines, and these advertising will match to which machine. So you need to devise ads allocation, so to match them together. So you can see here, like ads group and device group, and then you can make match it. Then it will. So the advertising will come to the machine which you need. So that it can display the advertising and then confirm. That's it. So it's very simple. And here is the order management, is to for the order details. Yeah, as you can see, it has to check the sales. You can see the payment status and payment term, and also the order time and machine number, everything about it. And you can export your sales report and you can note it. Yeah. So this is also a very important part. And come to the refund record. If there's any refund, and then it can show it here as well. Renewal record is about the like the software. After 1 year free trial, and on the 2nd year, and then we'll charge like $12 per year per unit. So it will have the record here as well. And that is system management. If you have like maintenance, you have operator, and also if you have like financial account, you need maintenance account have a sub account, and then you can create the account here and check the and also set the password, and then you can offer this account to your maintenance operator so that he can check their machine information as well. Yeah. So I guess so much for these settings. So in a word, it's quite simple. Firstly, when we receive the machine, you need to set the products, the selling products, selling the price, and upload the pictures, the product pictures, and then we will come to the machine and do order like how to say, the slots and the channel and the currency, and also can check the device alarm. Yeah, and then come to the until you finish the commodity setting and device setting, then the machine can run. And after that, then if you want advertisement, then you can do the settings on the advertising. Yeah, and here the order management is to check the machine performance status, to download the sales report. That's it. Yeah, thank you.